and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Oh my god, that is so good! Excuse me! Wait. Oh, hold on. No, balik. Hey guys, it's Yani here. On today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Morissette Amon a cappella version, Rise Up. What really got me excited is on June. So, on behalf of Morissette, I am announcing that on June 24, tomorrow at 9 p.m. Philippines time, I think, she will be singing all Broadway favorites. You guys, I am a big Broadway fan. When I saw this ad on her Instagram, I liked it right away and I shared it on my story because I'm so excited and I'm here for it and I'm gonna watch it and I'm gonna react to it. I don't care. I'm gonna watch it. I love Broadway. I know I probably don't know everything. She's probably gonna add some Disney up in there. She's probably gonna... today's video, we're gonna be watching Rise Up. I am so excited for this, you guys, because you know what? This song is the reason why I know Morissette Amon. This song is the very first song I've heard about Morissette Amon. And it's because of Morissette Amon that I love this song. To the extent na I think Morissette sang it way better than the original version. No tea, no shade! And I've never heard her sing this song a cappella, so I'm so excited about that. And I'm curious what kind of version she's gonna do, because she's done a couple of versions of this song, because I'm a huge Morissette fan. I know, I watch all her videos on YouTube. I know, like, you know those millions of views on YouTube? I am probably like 1,000 of them, especially the Rise Up video. Also, last but not the least, this song is so fitting in today's time. Like, whatever's going on around us, like, everybody needs uplifting spirits and songs and good singers like Morissette. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have not heard the song yet. I saw it everywhere. On social media, Facebook. Anyway, today's video we're gonna be watching Morissette Amon, Rise Up. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Who are these people? Wait, hold on. Third Avenue. Wait, are they an artist?
Down and tired.
Started strong. She started strong. Big vocal voice that we all love about her. She started strong.
Living life on a merry, down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round. You can find the fire, but I see it in you, so you can walk it out.
Oh, I like that new version! That's a new version! I've never heard her sing that before. Or I probably haven't seen that video. But I haven't heard that version. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the first time she did that.
Living life on a merry-go-round. You can find the fire.
This part.
But I see it in you. So you
I see it in you. Hey! Oh my gosh, she's best. She's good as always. She's giving us soft quality type of vocals because I think she's part of the choir now. This is like a church choir. She knows how to adjust her voice. I'm just curious if she is gonna belt out and bear it and whistle later, because I want to hear the whistle. Yeah, hey, that riff, that was good. Excuse me! Wait. Oh, hold on. No, balik. Wait, I wasn't ready. Hey! I like this version. Since when did she turn it into an R&B song? Because to me right now it sounds like an R&B song, but I love this version because you know what? It's smart that she changed it a little bit, because if she's gonna sing the same tune, same rhythm every single time, it's gonna be boring, right?
For you. Silence isn't quiet.
That's sweet. That's what I'm always looking for.
It's getting hard to breathe.
I love it.
And you know you feel like tired, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Mountain, take it to its feet.
Take it to its feet. The editing though, who's editing this?
Rise up, I'll rise up the day, I'll rise up.
Oh, I love it.
Rise unafraid, I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times.
Is she gonna beat it? Is she gonna whistle?
For you.
Oh, I love this version.
For you.
Oh my gosh. I think she really is the best, one of the best singers right now in the world. I'm such a huge fan. This is pure talent.
That we have each other. We will rise.
Did it.
We will rise. We will rise.
Memorize yung version. I know the version because I've seen the video a million times, and I love that she kept that bridge part because that was so good. It's like that bridge part is like where you showcase your voice if you're in a singing competition. That bridge part is your chance to show that you can beat it, and she's still claiming the beat it part. I love that.
All we need is hope that we have each other. That we have each other.
This part I love.
We will rise.
Let it out.
We will rise.
Yes.
We will rise.
Oh, I love it. Flawless. Flawless as ever. She hasn't changed.
Until rise up.
I thought.
Rise up the day. I'll rise up. In spite of you.
Morissette, it's just small details. I don't even think she means to do that. It's just part of her because she is so into the moment. And that's what I love about her. When she sings, she pours you her emotions. When she sings, she gives you pure emotions. And you feel it. That's why she's one of the best. Let's see. Oh my gosh, Morissette, you're so talented. Obsessed.
And I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Oh my god, that is so good.
Times again.
Oh, I gotta hear that one more time. Is it just me? Like, it hits something in you. Like, it hits something. This is my raw emotion, honest raw emotion, you guys. Like, I'm such a fan of her. This is what I think. Oh my god, I gotta hear that again. Flawless. Love that one.
And I'll do it 1,000 times again.
The squeak. God, this version. Oh my gosh, every time she does riffs. Every time she does riffs. Those are the parts that gives me goosebumps the most. Oh, how did she do that? Yeah.
Thousand times again.
What the heck? Oh, Morissette. Morissette, talented as ever. I am just obsessed. You guys know. If you guys have been following this channel for quite a while now, you guys know I've been a fan ever since. You know what she's gonna sing? She's gonna sing, I think she's gonna sing one of the Wicked songs, Defying Gravity. She has to sing that. This Is Me. Oh, I think she's gonna add a lot of movie songs too. So Broadway doesn't only mean like on stage, like it has to be a musical as well. So maybe This Is Me, because she did that before already. Never enough. How could we forget that? Never enough. She has to sing Let It Go. I haven't seen her singing Moana, so I don't think she's gonna sing Moana. But I'm just so excited. Anyway, you guys watch it tomorrow. I'm gonna be watching it. Bye, guys.